Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to generate AI images using Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first, let's answer your questions. Why should I use Canva to generate AI images? Integrated and seamless. Text-to-image is integrated across the entire Canva experience. With text-to-image, you can create and edit an image without ever leaving Canva. No other subscription or tools needed to power your creative workflow. Images as unique as you are. Text-to-image can also generate art in range of styles, from photos to drawings, paintings, 3D patterns, and concept arts. Create a lifelike rendering with a 3D style for your futuristic party invitation, or use the painting style to recreate texture brushstrokes. If you're not sure with which style to go for, try the Surprise Me feature to kickstart your inspiration. To give you some ideas, here's what Canva says on what you can use text-to-image for. So we have here, generate an image that you can find in our media gallery or anywhere else, or an image that doesn't exist in seconds. Visualize a new concept or idea to test environment quickly. Create truly one-of-a-kind image and marketing assets. Brainstorm, seek inspiration, and outsource some of the early creative thinking using text prompts. Express yourself and unleash your creativity. So with that out of the way, we can now proceed to the step-by-step guide on how to use Canva to generate AI images. So you may go to canva.com and make sure you log in your account. Take note that this account doesn't have to be on a paid subscription, so you can use any of this method to sign into Canva: Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, and any of the remaining option. So after logging onto Canva, we are greeted with this option. Let's create a design. It doesn't matter what design you go for. I'm just going for a custom design. Create a new design. After successfully creating your template, you may now proceed by clicking on apps. And if you did not see the text to image option right away, you can just search it up right here. Click on text to image right here. So now that we are inside text to image, you can start creating your images right away, by typing right here. Now I'm gonna try my prompt. A home built in a huge soap bubble, window, doors, porches, and awnings. I'm gonna create my images by pressing here. Let's wait for it to load in. So now that it has finished loading in, Canva has presented me with these 4 high quality pictures. I'm gonna click on them and I'm gonna drag them inside my template right here. Now you can resize them however you want to. I'm just gonna resize them to fit my template. As you can see, Canva has really presented me with a very high quality picture right here. Now Canva is a very powerful AI tool. You can change their styles right away by going here in these options, styles, click see all, and you can see different styles of art right here. Now I will generate my art in a different style by clicking on neon, and it's gonna generate another 4 images for me. I'm just gonna wait for them to load in. So now that it has finished loading in, Canva has presented me with these 4 different amazing high quality pictures right here. So right here we have the bubble in the backyard with the neon lights on. So it's really amazing how Canva can do this with just those prompts. Now you can be more specific with these prompts, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this right here. So with the basics out of the way, we can now proceed on the more advanced photos and more advanced prompts that the AI has to offer. So I have here another example of a giant teddy bear walking around New York, photorealistic. Now I can be more specific with this by typing additional properties that the AI might generate by I'm just gonna use cloudy as an example. And if you want to change your style, you can go ahead and select right here. And if you want to change your aspect ratio, you can scroll right through this section and make sure you create your image and wait for it to load in. So it's finished loading in. Canva has generated another 4 images for me. I could just click the first one here. Make sure everything is okay. So as I can see, this is a city of New York and a giant teddy bear walking around New York in a rainy season, as you can see right here, and it's also photorealistic. So it really depends on your creativity here, guys. So I can change the style right here. Let's try another style. Retro wave. Wait for it to load in. With the new styles applied, we could really see a major difference in our images right here. So right here we have a photo of a giant bear walking around New York, photorealistic with the retro wave style on it, and it's rainy. So if you're not happy with the generated images, you can create another set of them by clicking create again right here. As you can see, I just generated another set of images by just clicking on the create again button. I'm gonna select the second one here. So Canva has really made it easy for us to use their new AI tool, and especially if you're a beginner, you will have no hard time using this tool whatsoever. After choosing and editing your desired photo, the way you can export this image is by clicking at the upper right corner of the screen. You're gonna click on the share icon. You're gonna click the download button. Now Canva will present you with more options right here. You can change whatever file type do you want the file to be downloaded in. I'm just gonna go for the PNG for the best resolution. I can change the size right here by just dragging on the slider. I'm just gonna go for the 1000 by 1000 pixels. I'm gonna click download and it's gonna load in and download for me in a sec. So after finish loading, it's gonna download for me. I can see it right here. I'm just gonna click on it. So as you can see, the image has now been downloaded into my computer. I can use this image to whatever I want to. It's really that simple, guys. This is the overall quality of the picture that I made. I hope that this video helped you, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you around next time. Goodbye, guys.